Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Power off and detach pads or removable covers to expose dirty surfaces. This prevents liquid damage. Once done, mix warm water with a drop of mild soap in a small bowl and use a microfiber to wipe plastic and metal parts. Use cotton swabs dipped in 70% isopropyl to clean crevices. This kills bacteria and evaporates fast. Make sure to work on a towel to catch drips, and place small parts on paper so nothing gets lost. Next, focus on cushions and mesh where odor lives. Remove foam or pads and soak fabric covers 5 to 10 minutes in warm, soapy water. Squeeze gently, rinse, and press out moisture with a towel. Do not wring. For speaker mesh, brush crumbs away, then carefully dab with isopropyl on a swab to disinfect. This reaches bacteria without soaking drivers. Once cleaned, air dry thoroughly for 2 to 6 hours. Make sure to avoid high heat so glue and foam don't degrade. Finally, reassemble after everything is completely dry. You want no trapped moisture. Plug in and test at low volume first, then increase. This confirms drivers weren't damaged during cleaning. If a faint smell remains, place a baking soda sachet or activated charcoal pouch near stored headphones overnight to absorb odors. If the smell persists even after another cleaning, inspect foam pads for permanent breakdown and replace them. If electronics still smell, stop use and contact manufacturer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.